Everybody's got a plan until you get punched in the mouth. A great jury consultant here in the state of Florida once told me, when you have a jury in a big time case, you got to come out swinging from the drop. And that's exactly what the federal prosecution has done in the Sean Combs case. The jury's been picked, openings have been given, but on the first real day of trial, what does the prosecution do? They come out, and we said it before. Last video we talked about when the judge said that Cassie Ventura video was going to be played. It's exactly what the prosecution has anchored their case to, and they didn't waste any time. Day one, they go straight for the video. They want to put up those heinous acts of Sean Combs beating Cassie Ventura by that elevator so nobody can forget it. That way, it stays in the jury's mind throughout the trial. The second thing that the prosecution did, which I thought was brilliant, not to prove the underlying trafficking case, but to destroy Sean Combs' credibility, is that they called an off-duty police officer who was working security at the hotel. They got the officer to be able to testify that Sean Combs tried to bribe him, offer him cash, not to reveal or report the incident in any way. It shatters Sean Combs' character and his reputation to the jury. By the end of the first day, back Combs into a corner by showing, one, he's a violent criminal. He beat a woman. Number two, they showed that anything the defense says can't be trusted. Goes to the bribery, goes to him trying to get out of the responsibility by bribing that officer. So now, flip the coin. So what does the defense do in this situation? What does the defense do when the prosecution's coming out and just firing away? One, the defense knows that this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. They've got to go 10 or 12 rounds day after day after day. They got to put time and distance between this aggression that they're coming out with the prosecution to take them down in order to try to tamp out the flames. Will they look to try to rehabilitate Puff Daddy's character? Remember, their whole theme or their defense of the case is consent. Hey, he paid the escorts. He paid the prostitutes. None of this was against their will. It's pretty damaging evidence, especially when you heard that escort testimony. But the goal for the defense is to win on the small margins early. Win battles, not wars. The case isn't going anywhere in the first week of the trial. It's too big. They have too much evidence. The defense attorneys know that. They're talented. In my opinion, it's the long game. Can you pick your battle? The big win for the defense isn't winning the war, meaning a not guilty on everything. This isn't O.J. Simpson, whether you murdered somebody or you didn't. There's too many counts. Good defense attorneys will start trying to pick apart. If they can knock out a couple counts by the jury saying, I don't think count 2 and 3 made it, we're just going to find them and convict them on count 1, it spares their clients significant prison time. That's something that all great defense attorneys do. Show strength. They show confidence that they're going to win it all, but they know behind the scenes they're playing the small game. What battles can we win? The plea deal that was offered that Puff Daddy or Sean Combs rejected must have been too large to accept. Big thing to look at is, can the defense turn the tide? Can they handle the blows? Mike Tyson, everybody's got a plan until you get punched in the mouth. What does Puff Daddy do now? How does he handle the blows? And then what strategy can the defense make moving forward?